Hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox and review the HyperX Solocast studio microphone. But because I'm a fan of upfront conclusions, I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to tell you my opinion upfront and then we can go and dive into the details of the microphone. I could definitely recommend this microphone for beginners or from semi-pro users as well. The sound quality is beautiful. It works very well on meetings, on recordings, even for podcasting. The build quality is amazing. I was shocked for this price range that it can deliver such a nice build quality, and the design is pretty nice also, so I would definitely recommend. It's a very nice price and value ratio. And now let's jump into it. But first, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. This is the box. From the outside, it's nothing special. The box quality is like general. Here you can see a few pictures about the microphone. It says Pro Audio USB microphone for streaming, recording, and voice chat. And some more details: USB-A, sound direction, some details about connections, and you can tilt it also. Okay, let's dive in. So when you open the box, the microphone is inside this plastic case. Nothing else in the box, just some informations on the back. So let's put this away. Here are some paperwork on how you can use it and details, but I'm going to show you all that. And this is the mic. You have to take this off, this cover. And then here you got your USB-C to A cable and your mic. Now, at the first step, when you take it out of the box, you will notice that it is very heavy, like extremely. It's solid metal. Let's build this off. The mic is solid metal, and even the base has some metal in it, so it's a lot more stable, which is a very nice thing. So this is how you can use it. The mic is front facing, so you always should place it that it's in front of you or it's facing you. You can take the mic off of this base, so you can mount it on different bases if you have. As you can see, you can connect it here, so you can place it anywhere. There is one button on it, which is like a touch button, where you can mute it or unmute it. There is this light, which is going to turn on red when it's recording, and obviously the USB-C connection. And that's pretty much it. It's very easy to use, very simple. You just connect it and you can start using it on the spot. The base works like this. You can tilt it if you want to your preferred position. As you can see, there is a screw here which you can unscrew if you want to make it looser, or when you have your favorite position, you just screw it in. And then you can also tilt it this way. I'm not sure what is the use case for these positions, but yeah, you can do these as well. So it's very versatile, but it feels very solid and it feels high quality. So yeah, this is the cable. Let's unpack it as well. The cable is quite long, so it's also a good thing. You can place your mic anywhere on your desk. As you can see, it's quite a long cable. And obviously, it's very easy to install because it's just plug in and play. You just plug your USB-C to the back of the mic, and then you plug your USB-A to your computer or any other device. You can also connect this to tablets or your phone, your iPhone or Android phone as well, but you need an adapter and a little special things to do that. I also make a video about that. That is my next video, so you should check it out. Also, if you're interested in how to connect your USB-A mic to your phone or iPad or any other devices. So yeah, but for a computer, you just plug this in and you are ready to go. Let's check it out how it sounds. Okay, so I just connected the mic and now you can hear me through the microphone. As you can see, the red light is on, so it's recording, and we are going to test how it sounds in different distances and how sensitive it is to different noises and sounds. So this is me talking to the HyperX microphone from a normal distance. This is how you should talk into a microphone if you are having conversations or if you use it for podcasting. Now let's try how it sounds if I come closer. So this is how the HyperX microphone sounds from a close distance. Now I'm talking to the HyperX microphone from like 8 centimeters from my mouth, and this is how it sounds. Now let's try how it sounds from a farther distance. Let's say the microphone is at the back of my desk and I'm talking to it from a farther distance. So this is how the HyperX microphone sounds from around 1.5 meters. This is how my voice sounds in the HyperX microphone from 1.5 meters. I'm talking to the microphone and this is how it sounds. Now let's try a few very low noises, how sensitive it is, and maybe you can also use it for ASMR videos or these very detailed sounds. So let's see. So this is how the HyperX Solocast sounds. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next video. Bye.